Polkadot might grow 4.4% by August 10 per Gov Capital prediction. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. As of this moment, Polkadot is down 1.2% in 24 hours and is close to an 81 cents. Here come the forecasts from our analysts. The chart could show $0.786 by August 10 per coin data flow, down 2.9% from now. CoinLore anticipates Polkadot reaching $0.815, a rise estimated at 0.7%. According to Traders Union, it might advance toward an 83 cents, an estimated move higher of 2.5%. Another prediction from Gov Capital puts the target for Polkadot at $0.845. That's approximately 4.4% up. Finally, crypto predictions suggest a move to $0.945 by tomorrow, roughly 16.7% above the current price. This is the most lucrative forecast so far. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. Based on the combined forecasts from all analysts, the price could range between a decline of 2.9% and an increase of 16.7%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, crypto predictions leads with 16.7% upward change in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $7 and $167 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility-based calculations, CoinLore's forecast stands out with a 82.4% chance of success. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. Consensus Insight places Polkadot at roughly $0.844. Here are the details. The consensus path suggests price higher by 4.3%. In that scenario, your capital could also see a rise of about 4.3%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $43 gained. And in this scenario, the consensus forecast is given a likelihood of about 43.7%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. Coin data flow indicates that prices could dip further. CoinLore points to a flat trajectory for Polkadot. Traders Union believes Polkadot is on track to rise further. Further appreciation is similarly projected by Gov Capital. Also, crypto predictions expects Polkadot to move higher over the coming days. Taken together, the forecasts point to Polkadot rising in the short term. Taken together, 80% of analysts favor an upward path, suggesting Polkadot could strengthen. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today, we look at them in detail. Ultimately, the actual closing price was $0.816. With this outcome, most analysts were accurate in their forecasts. Looking at the numbers, CoinCodex turned out most precise. Time to sort through the results more carefully. Yesterday's candle aligned with only one forecast. Looking at ROI, a few forecasts were in the green, and CoinCodex achieved the top return of 0.4%. Here's the daily overview, a simple summary of all results. As part of today's review, CoinCodex posted 0.4% ROI and accuracy. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. Pi leads the outlook with 7.4% and Polkadot trails below. This comparison features Polkadot with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next strong move before it happens. Take care.